Bruno Fernandes and João Moutinho, Sergio Oliveira no nisi account if you worry about the Portuguese national team. Eti Portugal for no so squad in there for no. So amazing. Me sure say team bi no say o underrated Portugal. Oh this Euros dia chairman. Na o anye justice to football. Next team me nya sure say obi abomudin. Me nya sure say obi kura say abomudin a. The Italian national team under Roberto Mancini. Chairman, only say Roberto Mancini taking over from the Italian national team in 2018. They've gone 27 games at Omolusu game. 27. Now the man with the year so amazing is that in those 27 games now, Omabo under Roberto Mancini no, almost 70 goals are considered 14. Qualifiers now near Kawasemino. Italy about 10 games. That 10 games now Italy boy you know. Omu winning all those 10 games. Nancy the European Nations League you know. Omu do air finals I think say omu even ground say Holland on their way to the finals of the European Nations League. Enche pino start to see about the 2022 World Cup qualifiers. Chairman, so 3 games are Italy abo for 2022 World Cup qualifiers ni nyina no. The Italian national team are winning all those 3 games, scoring 6, conceding none. It is over Italy under Gianpiero Ventura there. Why have I say Italy national team no for mon. But since Roberto Mancini be take over the Italian national team no, team na wahye no. Nyamiano nukreni, adwuma mo bono, any papa. Set 27 games, no defeat, scoring 70 goals and conceding just 14. World qualifiers na the bar this Euros you know 10 games they won all those 10 games. Their money here quite amazing. They say a boy abaka 3 games. I'm yet me aba Euros you know. Now Italy qualify. They qualify with 3 games to spare. No ma qualifier omodikai abe PMO Euros you know. It's the form now the Italian national team you know. Everybody into this game you know. Chairman and also is so amazing. The man Italy for cross story and so quite interesting. They say time Roberto Mancini take over in 2018. Chairman who you coach. Samre na Italian national team ne form. Na bin si da o. Akwa se Ghana na ye ko AFCON. Na Ghana qualify. Na bin si da. Say Italy ko World Cup. Na Italy qualify for the World Cup. That was the first time in 60 years. Say the Italian national team no qualify for World Cup. Si e kan World Cup na teams are omwaje de do pa no. We Brazil awaje 5 efro no ma. Teams are most successful. Follow Brazil no. Germany awaje 4. And Italy and so awaje 4. It is here about World Cup. Na say Italy qualify for World Cup na. Germany na just unheard of. See a qualification to a World Cup there. Italy no and now they no betima negotiate. It was just a must. So for the Italian national team, see a World Cup. No one team qualify for the World Cup no. Chairman na someone omunti bi da. And no amount team qualify for World Cup no. The then coach Gianpiero Ventura and omuye adwuma ni free nisem. Na the man Roberto Mancini. Roberto Mancini eji adwuma no. To make matters worse for him, most of the experienced players in retire. Make I say Chiellini retire. Buffon retire from international football. Andrea Bazzagli, De Rossi, omunyina retire. Enti manager abeji adwuma foforo. Team no e form. Senior players ni nyina na odom besi team their book team no so na most of them also retire from the national team. Tina adwuma na ye diama Roberto Mancini. Na Roberto Mancini call chino. And see that 2017 Italy equal the European under 21 championship edu semi-final. Sa squad na omko sa under 21 European championship na omdu semi-final no fa sa team no. Of our base 6 players. And the back existing team na can ho. Chama dia kri a success story. Now we are talking about the Italian national team one qualify for the World Cup and then papa na me fa adwuma no 27 games they are unbeaten. World Cup qualifier 3 games 3 wins 6 goals scored none conceded. It is no form na Italy for the back into this championship no. Chairman, me sure someone for him called the Italian national team also the pa. But form no so amazing to watch. Nobody can underrate the Italian national team. So much the World Cup in Premier Mako 9 but the European Championship no. Chairman, I think 1968. That's the only time the Italian national team at the European Championship no. But team na papa na team ya build there or they back into this championship no. I'm not sure say any team maybe team under Retiomo. Me kai pass say in the last 17 games I team national team abono. They've scored 53 goals for a team one. Yenim say Italy there come you noted for a perfect defending and come to me any attacks but say Italy team be a team. Now the last 17 games are Italy abono. If they have scored 53 goals there, that's a perfect balance. They defend so well and attack and so they score so many goals.
Okay.
It me sure say I'm from Ninko the Azuris one, but the Azuris national team from number to this championship no. Okay. So amazing to watch.
Portugal,
Italy, and of course France.
France. Well, the French president team. Nah, it was nice. We scenes no Saturday City are very interesting. Obi Trice. Kakra bi amonone overall kakra na
say na share no me person ka me hwe groups nim na me hwe senia possible teams on bet me qualify. So in group A we have Italy, Switzerland, Turkey, Wales. And yes, Christian Abubo so but you see the Italian national team are who dey na nkasa gina midfield. Barella, Marco Verratti, Castrovilli, or Frontina, Brian Cristante, formerly of AS Roma, Jorginho, and of course Locatelli. That's a very solid midfield at any point in time. Biano, Omo bet me make a difference. And the good news about this Italian midfield is Omo midfielders need to miss goals. Barella, goal scorer midfielder. Brian Cristante, goal scorer. Marco Verratti, able to provide goals. In case sir Ciro Immobile ne Andrea Belotti no mane Baradi no man to me anya goals ne dia US should respect the goals from these central midfielders. And Bebrena Kase omo defense no Kiele ne Bono any Bonucci no so no veterans but omo Bastoni wo Asebe SS Lazio 4 Francesco Asebe SS Lazio 4 captain and run attack Tolio Rafael Tolio also available, but there's one player within this whole Italian setup Misusu so be making so much of a difference. I brand a friend Persena or yes or yes starter or a backup player but from the bench or bet me making so much of a difference. From group A there I'm pretty sure say Roberto Mancini be the Italian national team let me qualify into the next slot no and Kaiser Euros no senior tournament BSCT no o tosu mienu o group ni mu for example group A o tosu mienu ani group B team oton odi kan wo na be akohia nti eya na permutations to be aso ye careful kakra because in PMP teams akese na a topic group no o tosu mienu aye boa because so o tosu mienu eya anya too comfortable so you want to be on top na akohia team otoso mienu or other group now on yombenya as far as knockout phase no eye concern. So the Italian national team will certainly qualify out of group A. Turkey for no with Shala Shonongo, Damerel, AC Milan for number 10, Hakan Çalhanoğlu, Yilmaz should be 35 thereabout, but of course or a striker over to me amount 4 or 5 goals during the tournament. Geddes Under also not sure so best starting but also impact player, very good player, and he had good days with AS Roma and all of that. And I'm pretty sure sir Turkey between Turkey and Switzerland because Vladimir Petkovic, veteran coach, our ball tournament, and you see the difference. And it's PMP, Switzerland for no more consistent as far as technical department. Again, who compare Tech in Switzerland? Switzerland or Granit Xhaka or Denis Zakaria of Borussia Mönchengladbach, very good player. Xherdan Shaqiri, Remo Frula of Atlanta, Oni Godson, nominal Atlanta team no any the rule the boss central midfield for Atlanta under Gasperini and Imbolo and of course Jan Sommer a very veteran goalkeeper Haris Stefanovic a player because na say mo share elections time council and to me and between Switzerland and Turkey mu ba kubenya qualification akoka Italy out of group A for Wales there.
Between Turkey and Switzerland, I'm going for Turkey. The reason is very simple. Amubo qualifiers, Turkey for equipu 8 clean sheet in 10 matches.
Obi go say Turkey. And now guys Obi.
Yeah.
Guys Obi say the favorite Turkey count.
Yeah.
8 clean sheet in 10 matches. Now, Omobo qualifiers, so here, normally France all the same group. In 2 games, France as World Cup defending champions and Turkey. Turkey edge 4 points if France won. Nanseya in World Cup qualifier, or match the Netherlands as by 4-2. So for a team one France about 2 games, France and Tunisia back or 4 points if France won. Nanseya was I as a Holland in a World Cup qualifier by 4-2. Now I say since our manager Ayeseno Gunes take over in 2019, 26 games, they have lost only 3 matches in 26 games. Yeah, qualified to this Euros, you know.
Okay.
10 games now. Chairman, Emumi no pen about terminate. 8 clean sheet in 10 matches today.
Well,
today.
Italy. In fact, Turkey is strong.
Yeah, Turkey a very strong team, especially a Chiro no more consistent defenders. Ozan Kabak, boys on more top club, top Demirel for Juventus, Shala Shonongo for Leicester City, Hakan Çalhanoğlu, very good, playmaker and all of that. So, but Switzerland, the team want to me underrate you at any point in time. A team of consistent kakra, and they could pose a lot of problems for this group. For Wales, of course. Of this group A, Wales in Kwanebo 3-5-2 formation. Almost was some good experienced players. Ethan Ampadu, Wayne Hennessy as a goalkeeper. Omo Ireland, formerly of Liverpool. Aaron Ramsey of Juventus. Ben Davies of Spurs. Omo Daniel James of United. Nico Williams of Liverpool. But Osha Group A, Mojides Franco said, Italy do qualify. But Switzerland and Turkey team of Wako Kanohono. And at this material point, but for Group B, there Belgium, Denmark, Finland, and of course Russia. Belgium, the only problem is I am Pempi, there's a golden generation of Belgium. No man could do tournaments, no man and Roberto Martinez bought a 3-back. I think they still now Belgium forward problems with Jason Denaye, Jean Vertonghen, Thomas Vermeulen, Derek Boyota. I'm sure sir we no nebebo now the Tobias the Vieira no sweat to me account but oman dey na nkasa gina midfield no Dan Donker of Wolverhampton Wanderers Azel Witsel of Dortmund onye fit for the first game of this tournament but on this one the best player in my estimation within Lukaku see in China Euro talisman omo Leicester City a branch friend Dennis Pratt omo the favorite name within the Belgium setup, Leandro Trossard. This is share Brighton. Onimsa Branche we so the modern and untimi more. Oh yes, Ubeka Lukaku, Ubeka Torgan Hazard, Ubeka whatever player again, Lukaku and all of that. But untimi need dress Martins and Frim and with the experience Roberto Martinez I'm sure that this should be a tournament that Belgium should easily qualify out of this group. But Denmark so experienced more Simon Kaya. More Andres Christensen, more Kasper Schmeichel, Yusuf Paulsen, more Barcelona for Chris Brownlee, Martin Braithwaite, yes, more Dolsberg, more Christian Eriksen, more Vestergaard, more Pierre Højbjerg, more Daniel Vaz of I think he should be with Valencia of Villarreal, more Sansu Abrantia Freno, Martin Jensen of Brentford, but again, the Denmark team is all about the mentality. They play like Iceland, they play like Switzerland, they play like Scotland. Only too much talent, but so they could cause a lot of problems for Belgium. Russia, I am dominated by local players. Mario and players in the brain now so ball. Russia 2018 3 years ago. Into Express Mario Fernandez, Yuri Zelkov, Denis Cheryshev, Artem Zuba, and he's a player was somewhere here because Obianim said, so Artem Zuba, a very good height, into crosses in the bar. Ayadi ono so betumi ahadwen, and almost star player Alexander Golovin of AS Monaco. But a very good coach, our experience as far as major tournaments are concerned in Stanislav Sheshashov. Into Russia for support back. Into Russia, between Russia and Finland there. No quite say Finland almost first tournament into me shut down Timo Pukki, but I'm not too sure say or the Norwich for core championship no obet me Lydia more at me so I'm looking at Belgium and Denmark qualifying out of Group B. Now I hear saying no so ABC as far as our tournament air concern Group C here. Austria, Netherlands, North Macedonia, and Ukraine. And as far as our group where concerned, so we check Austria for now. You have David Alaba in midfield. Or more Valentino Lazaro for is this still Inter Milan? Meaning so that's what Marco Arnautovic, Philip Lenhart, or no so about Germany, and I'm saying no, either United or so as a youngster, and I'll call or more Michel Sabitzer. Leipzig for captain or Switzerland for midfielder of 21 players. Omu coach a friend Franco Foda of 21 players from the Bundesliga. And omu club a friend Sasa Kalazic or 17 goals, 6 assists for Stuttgart. Into Austria there outsiders, but I think they could cause problems. Holland there. Yeah, 3-back system now. Openya Frano, Frank de Bois Bonu but of course for the 3-back, I'm looking at maybe of course he said Matthias de Ligt but Stefan de Vrij Dele Blend Julian Timber Nathan Ake but again for the Dutch national team it's all about the midfield. Frankie de Jong, Paris Saint-Germain for later signing Wijnaldum, De Roon, Dumfries as a right wing back, Patrick Van Haan also Nedino, and now Nino be Prince position and him no more David Klaassen, Quincy Promes, Memphis Depay. But the point is so best player in Memphis Depay there now a problem kakra or more Wout van Hout, honestly a striker. On subet me abo anim ho alongside Gravenberch or Munyan bet me abo but Holland should certainly qualify out of Group C. Ukraine there is all about the veteran, the legendary Andrei Shevchenko as the leader. But of course, more captain in Andrei Pretov, Wadago Ache Inti, side experience no Malos War, Yamalenko and Omo Ngolo Kanteni, Tares Stepanenko, Omo Malinkosik, Onusu Atlanta, all of those boys near, but Ukraine no many France ball 1-1 be or Paris and say mukra no share Cyprus e kanaya omo entumi into may North Macedonia film North Macedonia there was at least one player be friend Aloyski very good player and Goran Pendev and Elmas no one Napoli no on so team we munti I'm looking at Holland and maybe Russia or no Austria, but for David Alaba and we said will qualify, but I'll look at the qualification Russia for no more at me and coming for Croatia dear Obianim Lovren injured Shimi Visalko and again for Croatia in Group D Marcelo Brozovic, Mario Pasalic, very good player, Mario Pasalic, man, and Luka Modric and Matthew Kovacic. Into Croatia for Nankasano and also a midfielder and Zalko Dalic, coach no sono Obianim Sani Omuyi. England for free 2018 World Cup semi-final. So yes, they are missing Ivan Rakitic, but with Perisic and Andra Kramaric or more very good chance to qualify out of Group C that has England. So I'm looking at England and Croatia qualifying out of Group D. Now Scotland and the Czech Republic. Almost no, but Czech Republic Thomas Suchek or West Ham United branch oye machine and alongside the goalkeeper Sevilla friend Thomas Vaklic. But look, Czech Republic can't qualify. Scotland Steve Clark Stuart Armstrong Che Adams, Willie Glamour, Scott McTominay. But Scotland for me causing problems, but no, England, Scotland. Yes. Steve Clark here, Juma.
Yeah.
Yes, Steve Clark here, Juma Pinty. My for Group D, no, Emma England and the Croatia. No, almost so into me and call or many for Group E, dear. Spain for situation, I'm not comfortable at all because me who. Babo no Cecia played teams near me, but they have quality. Paul Torres, Emerick Laporte, Jordi Alba, but Alvaro Morata na striker man Spain dia. Na tournament no or free montem. Poland for so remember there's Wojciech Szczesny, Fabianski, Kamil Glik, Godfrey Krychowiak, formerly of Paris Saint-Germain, Zelensky. And our branch friend Lewandowski, and they have a very good coach in Paulo Sousa, formerly of FC Bar and FC Basel. Into almost was solid squad. And Sweden, so no, Isaac, Lindelof, Emil Kraft, Kolosevsky. But for Group E, Sweden and Spain qualification. But Lewandowski, so anymore. Man,